In haute cuisine, few ingredients rival the depth and complexity of dried wild mushrooms, which capture the essence of the forest. The Pure Umami team is dedicated to preserving the identity of these culinary treasures, offering mushrooms such as king porcini, chanterelles, and morels. This guide will help you recognize true quality, ensuring your culinary adventures are elevated. Understanding the difference between wild and cultivated mushrooms is essential. Wild mushrooms thrive in symbiosis with trees and soil, resulting in unique flavors and aromas that artificial environments cannot replicate. Choosing wild means opting for products free from pesticides or fertilizers, embodying food in its purest form. Visual cues are crucial in identifying quality dried mushrooms. For instance, king porcini should display a creamy white to light brown hue, while chanterelles should retain their golden color. Morels boast a honeycomb structure, indicating authenticity. A premium mushroom's integrity lies in its careful slicing, often by hand, preserving its structure. Complete cross-sections ensure even cooking and maintain elasticity. Unfortunately, many low-quality mushrooms flood the market, masked by attractive prices. Warning signs include compromised color. Mushrooms that are gray or faded may indicate poor preparation. Proper drying requires skill. Mushrooms should never be overheated, as this can lead to undesirable flavors. Dust and crumbled remains in packaging reveal the use of inferior materials or rough handling, making them unsuitable for gourmet cooking. Authenticity in dried mushrooms is reflected in natural markings. New buyers may be alarmed by small holes in porcini, but these marks are signs of quality. Understanding the science of umami, the savory taste that makes us crave more, is vital. Dried mushrooms are rich in glutamates, with porcini and morel scoring a perfect 5 in umami intensity. Golden and silver chanterelles offer a lighter profile at 3, while mousseron and Caesar's mushrooms provide nuance at 2. The industry standard is a 10-to-1 ratio, indicating that 100 grams of dried mushrooms come from 1 kilogram of fresh material. This makes dried mushrooms economical and powerful. Just a handful can impart flavors that far exceed cultivated varieties. Each type has its own culinary personality. King porcini adds density to sauces, while morels soak up creamy flavors. Golden chanterelles, with their apricot scent, require slow drying to avoid toughness, and mousseron delivers intense aromas reminiscent of fresh grass. Silver chanterelles have a delicate, smoky flavor, while Caesar's mushroom is a sought-after delicacy, showcasing the diversity and richness of dried wild mushrooms. Embrace the journey of identifying premium varieties and elevate your dishes with the unique flavors they bring.